telling someone not to do something is very useful, right? And it's also very easy. Hey, I'm Marta in Spanish, and I'm here to help you to learn Spanish easily. So if you haven't already, check the link down below and download my free ebook. And make sure to stay till the end for some practice. Okay, so going back to telling someone not to do something, how can we express this? In Spanish, we do this by the imperative mood, el modo imperativo. And before you get overwhelmed, don't worry, it's the easiest mood in Spanish. So a quick reminder, in Spanish, we have three moods, indicativo, subjuntivo, and imperativo. We use imperativo to give orders, commands, to ask someone to do something or not to do something, and it only has two persons, tú and vosotros. So in positive sentences and affirmative sentences, it goes like this. I'm going to give you the examples of three verbs that are regular verbs. You know that we have regular verbs, the ones that follow the rules, and irregular verbs, the ones that don't. Okay, so these examples are for regular verbs in Spanish. So if I want to say you sing, you eat, you live, okay, those are the three that I'm going to give you: to sing, cantar, to eat, comer, to live, vivir, okay? It would be, if you singular, tú, canta. Vosotros, you all, vosotros, cantad. For comer, tú come. Vosotros comed. And for vivir, tú vive. Vosotros vivid. Okay, we don't usually say tú, but I'm saying it so that you understand which goes with whom, okay? So for the part of telling someone not to do something, for this part we have to put a no, okay, in front of the verb, and the verb now changes to subjuntivo, okay? So going back to the examples, no cantes, okay? For tú, no cantéis. For vosotros, remember, tú is you, singular, vosotros, you all. For comer, no comas, no comáis. So I'm going to change to escribir, okay, for the one ending IR. So, no escribas, no escribáis. Okay, escribir is to write. Okay, easy, right? Now let's practice together. Okay, if I want to say stop, what do you think? The verb to stop is parar. And I want to say you, okay, you stop. So what do you think? Para. Good. And if I want to make it negative, think about it. We have to use present of subjuntivo. No pares. Okay, another one. Bailar, to dance. If I want to say dance, for you, think about it. Baila. Okay, let's make it negative. No bailes. Okay, great. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, just leave me a comment. If you want to practice, leave a comment down below and I will correct you. And remember that I'm here to help you. You have many resources down in the description, okay, other links to useful courses to study Spanish by yourself at your own pace, okay? And if you want to watch other videos, you can watch the ones I'm suggesting here to keep improving your Spanish. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that more people can see it. Happy learning!